Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Roblox and Sing It so you can start unlocking some cool features and items in the game. Let's get started. First, launch Sing It on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account before you proceed. Once you're in the game, look for the Store button on your screen. It's usually located in the main menu or at the left side of the screen. Tap on the store and then you'll see an option to purchase or set up Robux. You can either choose to buy Robux or if you already have some, you can link them to your account. If you need to add Robux, you'll be redirected to a payment page. Choose your preferred method of payment, whether it's credit card, PayPal, or any other available option. Once you've confirmed your purchase, your Robux will be added to your account. You can now use them to buy in-game items or unlock special features. Easy, right? That's all for today's quick guide on setting up Robux and Sing It. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.